Hola high fashion doll lovers and bienvenidos to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing the mini brands mini fashion dream closet. The box is pretty big and I can barely fit it in this frame, but that's fine because we are going to be taking everything out and taking a look at all that is in here right now. Okay, before I unbox it and take anything out of it, I wanted to take a look at the box. This is the front of the box, or what I'm considering the front of the box. Over here we have the mini fashions, mini brands, dream wardrobe, store and display your mini fashion collection. There's an exclusive mini fashion bag up here in the gold, and it says it includes 15 pieces. Now, I must say that when I saw this picture floating around a few weeks ago, it started to make sense why series 2 of the mini fashions had so many tiny accessories. They had a plan at the end of the day. And I feel like I wasn't the only one that thought that. I feel like a lot of people online were also saying that. Like, there were so many more items this time around. But now seeing this, it all makes sense. And I am so excited. Let me tell you something. Been seeing the photo floating around. Believe it was leaked overseas. Saw someone post it. Within the minute it was posted, I went on a strong Google hunt and I found it on Amazon. It was available for pre-order, and within minutes of me placing a pre-order, it was available to buy right there, and it shipped literally the next day. This is like the best birthday present to myself ever. Now, let me flip the box over. I feel like I have enough space to do that. Like, the box is so big that I'm like not prepared for this. So now in the back of the box, we see the items that are included here. There is the wardrobe itself, a trunk, a mannequin head, a lamp, some hangers, the purse, table and bench, a mirror. And if I'm not mistaken, on the other side of the box, it said that this was scented. And also, lights over here light up. Love, 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 love. Now, I don't know if you're new here, but I have mentioned before that I'm not the biggest fan of pink. So at some point, I might redo this. Don't know yet. Don't quote me on that. Oh, look, it has everything here that I already pointed out. All right, now enough of the talking. Let's unbox this puppy, shall we? So it appears that there's some light assembly. I'm going to assume that these two pieces gotta be clipped in. And then in the bag, my assumption is that we have the accessories. Maybe I should get the scissors. So here we have some legs and a hanger that just fell out. Okay, so this bag has the hangers. I'm gonna put them over there. There's the legs over there also, with the trash. Here, We have the trunk. I'm so excited about this because I've never got the suitcases in this wave. And I would like to find some more of the balls because I'm actually not done collecting this wave. I really, really love that wave. I would love to get some more items from there. So I'm assuming here we have the tabletops. There's one tabletop. Okay, the drawer actually opens. That's cool. I feel like I'm missing something. Where's the part that goes there? Is it hiding somewhere else that I might not know about? How do you open this? Doesn't look like it. Oh, and there's more in the box. Okay, so I found the rest of the bags inside of the box. There was like another compartment that was kind of like hidden behind like this cardboard, so I didn't see it. I'm gonna leave the bag for last, meaning like I'll probably display it in the closet because right now the packaging is interesting, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that later. But let's unbag these. Oh, this one has a little thing here. Did they all have that? Because I did not see that. What is this? Not sure what this is, but we'll find out soon. It's kind of like the thing with unboxing on camera where it's just like, there's a lot of pieces here. I'm not really sure what anything goes to, because I obviously don't have the instructions in front of me, which I think are here somewhere, so. Wow, this is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I'm excited though, because I do have a baseball cap. It's so funny because currently, here's the bunch that I was looking for. Currently, some of the accessories that came with my mini fashions are in my current closet in my dollhouse. So I'm gonna have to go in there and take some out and bring them to this closet. So here we have the flowers, the mirror. All of the mirrors have this like blue protective plastic that I have to take out later. The lamp, so excited about this. Love this detail, love it, love it, love it. It would have been cool if it could light up also because this lights up, but not necessary. And the vase for the flowers, which supposedly are scented. I don't know if they're scented or not. Kind of just smells like plastic to me. Is there anything else in here? I thought I heard something. Okay, cool. That is it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, put it together, and show you what it looks like. I want to first start off by apologizing if there's a lot of background noise. It is officially summer in New York, and I am in a very noisy area, but I'm trying to get this video out for everybody on time, so work with me, okay? Disregard. Now, I wanted to show the closet before I filled it in with all the things that it came with. So over here we have the little side table. The drawer actually does work. Let's see if I can do that with one hand. I cannot do that with one hand. We have the lamp, which I almost wish it did work because the mirrors work, but it's fine. The mirror, the mannequin head, the flowers, the hangers, the trunk, the purse, the bench. Now, that it's out. This mirror is a bit awkward for me because this spacing here is just very narrow. I almost wish that the mirror was on the side and that this compartment was over there, because how it is, it's just, I don't know, it creates a very interesting view. From here you can't really see anything that's back there, and from here it's a bit tight, but either way it's a beautiful, beautiful concept. I did put in the batteries, so let me turn off my ring light, because I feel like with the ring light you won't be able to see it. Let me get a little closer. Let me feel out for this button. Okay, am I gonna be able to do it with one hand? That is the real question here. I was able to do it with one hand. Look at that. It's beautiful. It is just stunning with the lights. I will say though, the box is false advertisement because in the box, all of these little boxes have lights coming from above, which honestly, it's a very luxurious closet if it had those lights, but it doesn't have those lights. So I'm like, oh, I don't know why you advertise it that way. You kind of can still see that the lights work with my ring light on, but you know, you got the effect in the dark. Now, let's use some YouTube magic.